There are so many tutorials on YouTube showing how to create VOX-style animation videos, but almost every single one of them involves a complicated process that most viewers find too difficult to follow through. In this video, I am going to show you the easiest and most straightforward free method available to create these videos yourself. Make sure you have subscribed right now because we are starting immediately. Head over to the description below and copy the full master prompt without missing a single word. Paste it directly into ChatGPT and hit enter. It will ask you to choose the niche of your video. Select any niche you like. I am going with history. Hit enter, and it will instantly provide you several different topic ideas for that niche. Pick the best one, paste it into the chat, and hit enter again. ChatGPT will now ask for the timing of your video. I am going with 30 seconds, and in just a few seconds, it will deliver a fully ready to use script. When that is done, simply type continue and hit enter so it can move forward with the beat breakdown. The full beat breakdown will appear right here. This is what you will use later to sync your visuals perfectly with the voiceover. Now type continue again and hit enter. And in just a couple of seconds, ChatGPT will provide complete image prompts for every single scene. When those are done, type continue one final time, and it will generate the universal animation prompt, the one single prompt you will use to animate every image in your video. Now, copy the voiceover from ChatGPT and paste it into any text-to-speech tool you like. I am using 11 Labs. Generate the speech and download it. Head back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Open Google Flow and select the image option. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and choose Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. Your first image will be ready in just a few seconds. Repeat the exact same process for every remaining image until your complete set of scene images is done. Now let's convert them into videos. Click on the first image, click the three dots, and select Animate. Choose either ingredients or frames, depending on your preference, and make sure OmniFlash is selected as your video model. Set the duration to between 4 and 6 seconds. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the universal animation prompt, and paste it in. Hit generate, and your first video scene will be ready in seconds. Repeat the exact same process for every image until all your scenes are converted into videos. Download them all when done. Open any video editor you like and import all your clips and voiceover. Add the voiceover to the timeline first, and then start placing your video scenes one by one. Open the beat breakdown inside ChatGPT and use it to match every clip perfectly to the right moment in the audio. Sync every scene properly. And when everything is aligned, hit export. Your VOX-style animation video is ready to go viral on the internet. Let's have a look at the result.
On Robben Island in 1978, political prisoners remained behind the walls of South Africa's most notorious prison. But the record does not support a successful escape by a man that year. The famous escape associated with 1978 began elsewhere, at Pretoria Maximum Security Prison. Tim Jenkin and Stephen Lee were imprisoned there after anti-apartheid activities. Their carefully engineered escape succeeded in 1979, using homemade keys and disguises. The island's walls were never breached that way.
And that's the full process. Make sure to subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you, and I will see you in the next one.